In this video, I am going to talk about the second issue that needs to be discussed before I start talking about suggestions regarding various aspects of SAD. When we lose a thing, we start to search for it, and we start to search for it in different places so that we can find it. Now, sometimes it happens that we are searching for hours and hours and hours, but we are not finding it. It feels like that particular thing has vanished into thin air. Now, what is really going on? Why are we not finding it? We all know that nothing can vanish into thin air, but we are searching for hours and hours, but still we are not finding it. What is really going on? The reason is we are searching in the wrong place, and we are failing to realize that. We are keeping searching in the same place again and again, hoping to find that thing. But in reality, if that particular thing was there, then we would have found that thing in the very first place. This is a very simple truth that we sometimes forget. As a result, we keep on searching and searching and searching, but we never find the thing. If we need to find the thing, then we must stop searching in the wrong place and start searching in new places. If we can do that, only then there is a hope that we will be able to find that particular thing that we have lost. Now, let's talk about SAD. Many people are out there who are dealing with SAD for years and years, and they are trying with different methods, but unfortunately they are getting a little or almost no result. What is going on? Why these formulas that have worked so well on other people is not working on them? What is the case? The reason is simple. Mental illness is really different than physical illness. It is possible that a single drug or a single vaccine can cure a million or billions of people from a particular deadly disease. But when we talk about mental illness, it is an entirely different thing. Every person is different. Their characters are different. There are subtle differences everywhere. Human brain is a complex machine, and there is no hard and fast rule that certain method will work on everyone regarding a particular illness. It is very much possible that the method which has worked wonders on someone's life may not work well or may not work at all in your life. Now, if you are someone who fits in this particular description, that is, if you are someone who is suffering from SAD for years and years, and you have tried many methods but you have got almost no or a very little result, then my dear friend, I must tell you this: you are walking in the wrong direction. You are adopting wrong methods. You must change your way, otherwise it will not be possible for you to get cured. Now, when I say that you are wrong, that is, when I say that you have been walking on the wrong direction, please don't get too upset or please don't get too angry with me. I am not insulting you. I will gain absolutely no benefit by insulting you. Rather, my intention is to make you aware that there are many other possible cures out there, and you should start trying to experiment with them rather than trying with the same old method again and again with having no result. This applies with the suggestions that I will present to you in my coming videos. These suggestions, that is these methods, worked wonder with me, but it is very much possible that these suggestions may not work with you. All I want to tell you is that listen to what I say very carefully and then try to apply these methods or suggestions in the particular situation of your life and wait for some time. Now, if it works, then voila, you have got your solution. But after waiting for some time, if it does not work, then it really means that this particular solution or suggestion will not work in your case. You must move on and you must continue to look for solution or suggestion in a new place. If you can do this, then there is a chance that one day you will find your cure. On the other hand, if you act stubbornly, if you feel like you are right all the way, and if you feel like I am just trying to insult you, and if you feel like you will continue to do the way you have been doing for all those years, then my dear friend, ultimately it is you who will suffer and no one else will feel the pain that you are feeling. So I am requesting you to stop looking or searching in the wrong place. Keep changing. Always look for new solutions and try every one of them. Don't waste too much time in just one solution. If it does not work with you, don't get frustrated. Don't think bad of yourself, or don't curse yourself thinking that you are just a hopeless case. Don't think that a particular solution which has not worked well with you means that you are gone. There are lots of solutions out there, and you are always welcome and free to try each and every one of them. So this is my message, and this also applies to all the solutions that I will present to you in my coming videos.